The money made us, these niggas changed up, they fucked the game up. I when it came up, these niggas hate us, my niggas blaze up. Let's catch a cake up and pray we stay up. My bitch won't lay up, we fighting makeup. I'm still the same one, man, you the fake one. Shorty tell me when the game's done, I'm keeping it gangster. Nigga, this really the strong. Tell me why niggas ain't feeling me young. Had me y'all looking like what I do wrong, but came to plug, then put these fuck niggas on. Fronted on work and they took it too long. Ran off on the plumbing, I thought you my dog. I keep it so G, put it all in the song. I break down my stretches, fuck hitting the bomb. Yeah, and I'm already gone. Walk around just like I'm already young. They calling me scrap, ain't no calling me Quan. Got pounds in the trap, yeah, I'm living too wrong. Mama, she stressing, but keep it so calm. She watching your boy turn the right to a dawn. I sit them away, can't forget the Shandon. These bitches won't fuck with me cause of my charm. Yeah, and I mean you no harm. Take me a pound and I bag it straight ace. Go and ask Tony, my hustle is great. He rolling with Goldie, they pumping in place. And I'm stuffing my say, you need something, I pay me. My money bouquet to these bitches I date. I'm stuck with this fate, let's go up in the way. I don't wanna come down, always puffing the J. Chasing them bucks every day, not giving a fuck what you say. Yeah, I really came up in the way. Said I really came up in the way. Man, I came in the trap house with nothing. If cops take me, I'm leaving with something. That's straight hundreds on hundreds on hundreds. On hundreds on hundreds on hundreds. The money made us, these niggas changed up. They fucked the game up, I when it came up. These niggas hate us, my niggas blaze up. Let's catch a cake up and pray we stay up. My bitch won't lay up, we fighting makeup. I'm still the same one, man, you the fake one. Shorty tell me when the game's done, I'm keeping it gangster. And I owe it all to the Doty. Watching me whip a range from a Stoli. Watching Shorty gon' act like she know me. Bunch of niggas gon' act like we homies. And these niggas the lame puffin' bogeys. Man, I put a whole 4 in the stogie. And Shorty gon' send me emojis. I just get zony, at times I feel lonely. Man, I just make play for the bucks. In the trap, I'm just baking it up. I got lean and rosé in my cup. If I sleep, there's no waking me up. Know these niggas, they hate that we up. When I'm off of the street shit, rap you whining with Gallo I beat with. Smoking dirty, we post up at C's crib. Doing ski trips and never sleep shit. I'm on some deep shit, I gotta keep lit. I'm holding secrets, say I can sneak this, say on me peep this. I was going for the weekend, this be my weakness. All this flexing, flashing just to see reaction. Getting all that action from your main attraction. If I lead the hood, then still my niggas trapping like it's everlasting. High as hell, so I'm forever laughing. Lights, camera, action, get a scandal bashing. If I fuck a nigga, I'm a pill to plastic. You forever jazzing, wanna know my passion. Pussy, money, weed when I'm trapping. Always flicking, stacking, hotter than the tractors. I don't care for the money plus the plug. About to send a package, I don't want no static. All these damn dramatics, I'm just going savage. Ask the shorty, she won't hold a nigga down to come to lavish. Either way, I'm smashing. Dipping, dabbing, nigga, what you matching? Everything I gotta have before these other niggas grab it. Y'all don't want static. I be rolling up the fattest. Niggas like this be the saddest.